Ever notice how some loves roar like fireworks, then leave you shivering by
I
sunrise?
think we should stop seeing each other.
And some loves feel like stepping over your own threshold. Quiet, warm, forever. Right now, Venus sliding into Cancer is tuning us to that second kind. Every heartbeat asks, where is my safe place? Stay with me, and in the next few minutes, we'll turn that cosmic comfort into real-world magic. No chasing, just building love that lasts. I'm Alice, and this is My Divinations. We're a brand new circle exploring cosmic energy and Carl Jung's timeless wisdom. If gentle self-discovery is your vibe, tap subscribe so we can keep growing together. Venus has moved into Cancer, and we're bathing in its energy. It's tender, nostalgic, protective, and it invites us to stop chasing love that burns fast and start building love that lasts. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, and connection. When it moves into Cancer, the sign of home, comfort, and emotional roots, it softens everything. This isn't the love of grand gestures. It's the love of someone remembering how you take your tea. It's late night talks, family recipes, that feeling of belonging you can't fake. Astrologically, Venus in Cancer pulls us toward what feels familiar, safe, and nurturing, and asks us to slow down enough to actually feel it. Carl Jung once said, "The soul needs a home as much as the body does." He believed we carry an inner archetype of the mother, not just our literal mother, but the part of us that craves emotional shelter. Venus in Cancer activates that archetype. It's not about dependency, it's about recognizing where in your life you feel truly held. Pause and ask yourself, where or with whom do you feel most at home? I'm reading every reply. I felt this energy so deeply. During the last Venus in Cancer transit, I stopped chasing loud, performative connections. I spent more time at home, I cooked more, I reconnected with old friends who felt like soul family. And what surprised me? My creativity bloomed, because when I felt safe, I finally felt free. Here's how I like to work with Venus in Cancer. I spend time with people who feel like home, the kind of friends where you can sit in silence and still feel understood. I make my space softer. Warm lighting, flowers on the table, cozy corners where I can just breathe. The other night, I curled up with an old blanket I've had since I was a teenager, put on a record I used to love, and suddenly, I felt this wave of comfort like my heart was exhaling. I also find myself drawn back to old passions. The books, recipes, and music that once made me feel alive. And most importantly, I let my emotions lead. Instead of ignoring them, I treat them as a compass, guiding me toward what truly feels safe and nourishing. What about you? Pause for a moment and tell me in the comments. What's one small thing that makes you feel at home in yourself? If this stirred something inside you, I'd love for you to join our circle here on My Divinations. Subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who might need this reminder. The more we grow this space, the more we can help each other dive deeper into self-discovery and make life feel a little lighter. And if you're ready to go further, watch our next video, where we explore how astrology and Jung's Red Book can help you uncover the unseen patterns shaping your life. Let's keep exploring this path together.